So now let me teach you one thing: compounding. How to compound your money to become bigger, bigger, bigger by the day. First, you have a 5K account. Yes, you have a 5K account, and you making 10% off of that 5K account is how much? That's $500. You see? $500. Instead of you now funding that $30 in your account, and that 10% of that $30 is how much? $3 a month. And you for like getting the account for 5K. Since you trust yourself, you are a good trader, why not get the Profem account? Get the Profem account. After getting the Profem account, pass the challenges. After passing the challenges, you now get fully funded, then you apply same thing. Bro, it's not the strategy that is killing you, it is you that is doing yourself. Because okay, you have the knowledge, you have everything, it's just the fund, like it's just the capital that you don't have. Trading is just like every other business that needs capital. So you need capital, you went and bought Profem account, and you got 10% of that account. So when you get 10% of that account, that's $500. You get your payout, withdraw the money. When the money drops, bro, reinvest in your business. Reinvest in your business. That's how billionaire thinks. That's how the 1% of traders think. Reinvest in your business. Okay, let's say you reinvest 50% of that money back to your business, and like the 50% you do whatsoever thing that you want to do with it. Okay, reinvesting that 50% now, that's $250. You went out, like you go to look for bigger account. Okay, $250 can get you 100K in some companies, can get you a 50K account. Okay, you went and bought $50,000 account without $250. So you pass the challenges, you pass everything right, then you now make 10% of that 50K account, which is $5,000. So you get $5,000 payout from that 50K. Then from that 5K, you get that same 10%. That's $5,000. 10% is $500 plus 50K. 10% is what? 5K. So you now join the 50K 10% and the 5K 10%. That is $5,500. You see? So you have 5,500. What do you do again? Invest in yourself. Buy more accounts. After buy, like that is how to grow. That is how to compound your money. So you buy another account. When buying the other account now, you buy 200K accounts. Two. Because $2,500 can actually buy two accounts. So you buy 200K account two times. So when buying these 200K accounts, bro, you can now like pass the challenges because it's copy trading. It's your setups. You know your setups. You know how it works. Then you buy two accounts. 200K account. Then you now make 10% of that 200K account. Let's do the math. You have 400 in funding, 400K in funding to 200K account. So 10% of 400K is what? $40,000. $40,000 you withdraw, you continue compounding, you fund in your real account, like you fund in your normal account, not Profem. Then you continue, like you start opening other ventures. This is how to compound. This is how to build an empire out of the forex that you think is just normal. I just want to flip. Forex is bigger than your imagination. You have to start thinking like a CEO. You have to start thinking like a billionaire, because the 1% don't just, okay, when I get this payout, or when I manage to pass the account, and when I get this payout, I'm going to go and flex, I'm going to go and do. That is why we are financial experts. Reinvest in yourself, reinvest in your business, reinvest in your videos, reinvest in what really matters. Then you create the asset column. You create what we call the asset column. That is asset making income, not liabilities. You create asset making. You go and start bringing other businesses, start building other stuff that will be bringing money. Then you now buy what you like with the money made from the business. Not you buy after making profit, you go and buy something that will eventually be taking away money from you. No, you build systems that will constantly bring money to you even though you are not there. So that is how to build and treat trading like a business. Focus on the monthly ROI. Focus on the weekly return on investment. ROI means return on investment. So focus on that. When you focus on that, you see like you'll not be pressured to be looking for setup, you not be pressured to be forcing setup, you not be pressured, like you just be calm, you just be okay, you just be calculating. Okay, I see setup, I trade. I don't see setup, I don't trade. It's none of my business if I don't see setup. That is how to treat trading. Not just that you want to make money because like it's just $30 in your account, you just have to trade because you are called a trader, you just have to trade. Each movement in the market, you'll be looking, your eye, your heart will be shaking. You want to enter, you want to participate. No, it's not done that way. It's not done that way. You have to chill and obey this thing. Compound these little profits that you get. Over time is going to be huge. So this is how to make it. So if you want me to put you through, if you want me to guide you through this process of buying the account, or how to keep your psychology in check to be able to pass the challenges, sticking to your own rule and the trading plan that helped you to pass and be able to get funded and be able to get money from your funded account, comment down below funded so that I can help you with that. Thank you so much for watching me till the end of this video. Peace out.